Allow me to finish as a winner, not as a loser. And you may feel like you are losing right now, but the game is not over yet. It's not over yet. You know why? Katulad ng basketball, kapag halftime na, kahit tambak ka pa ng 26, ang halftime is a time for you to reassess. Ang halftime is a way for you to re-strategize. At hindi porket tambak ka ng halftime, tapos na ang laban. You can always go back for the next few chapters of your life. At hindi ibig sabihin hindi naging maganda ang ating simula, at hindi ibig sabihin naging hindi maganda ang takbo ng ating buhay for the past 2 years, ay wala ng pag-asa na baguhin ng Panginoon ang ating buhay. Kahit natalo ka sa halftime, it doesn't mean you are losing in the finals. Hanggat buhay ka pa, kapatid, hanggat may pulso ka pa, may purpose pa ang Panginoon sa iyong buhay. Hanggat may hininga pa tayo, the game is still on. The clock is ticking, but the game is still on.